1529, they launched an invasion of Ethiopia that would bring the kingdom to the brink of collapse, bringing more than 3/4 of the entire Ethiopian empire under Muslim control. Ahmed Gurey fought many battles against the Ethiopian-Portuguese alliance, even killing the Portuguese commander Cristóvão da Gama during the Battle of Wufla in 1542. And to give you some idea of how important this was, Cristóvão was the son of Vasco da Gama, the man who first began the Portuguese conquest in East Africa, India, and the Middle East. It was a significant victory for Ahmed Gurey, and only 120 Portuguese soldiers managed to escape the battle. It seemed as if the Somalis had won the war, and thus Ahmed Gurey let his guard down for a moment. During the next few months, the remaining Portuguese soldiers regrouped with the Ethiopian army in exile and began teaching the Ethiopians how to manufacture Portuguese-style rifles and train them in their use. And by 1543, the Ethiopian was now rearmed and managed to find Ahmed Gurey, taking him